Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day we read from the Jamaican New Testament in 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning on YouTube. So today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 4 from verse 31 to verse 38. Said time that did a go on, Jesus follower them did a beg him for nyam sitting. Them said to him, say, Teacher, nyam sitting no. But Jesus tell them, say, me have food for nyam, where uno no know nothing about. So then start say to them one another, nobody then carry nothing come give him for nyam. Not true. For me food, Jesus said to them, I fi do with the one we send me come here, want me fi do, and fi finish up the work him give me. No uno say, plant today, gather 4 months after. But I dey tell you, open up on the eye and look on the farmland them. The food them fit and ready for reap up. The somebody will gather up the food and get fame pay. And the food when they gather are people who going to live forever. So now, him we plant and him we gather. The two of them went glad together. So a true sitting people are talk about when you hear them say, one somebody plant seed, but somebody else gather the food. Me send on out for get up when you work hard for plant. Other people do the hard work. And ungle a go in and I get up where them work hard for plant. I God what this. Thank God.